This caravan was once forgotten, old, damaged, and left behind. Inside, everything is worn out, but the potential is still there.
The restoration begins by stripping everything down. Only the frame remains. Years of damage are removed, bringing the structure back to life. Modern electrical and plumbing systems are installed for comfort and safety. Now the transformation becomes visible as luxury interiors take shape. A fully functional kitchen and bathroom turn the caravan into a real home.
Comfort is the key. Every detail is designed to relax.
A fresh exterior gives the caravan a brand new identity.
From abandon to luxury, this caravan is ready for the road again.